College of Pharmacy and Health Science, Coimbatore. Today we are discussing about ELISA. So, ELISA techniques. ELISA means enzyme immunoglobulin assay. So, it will be find out the detect and count the certain antibodies and antigens reactions. Protein like proteins, hormones and body fluids. And another fluid sample of specific target proteins. So we are finding the detect the antigen antibody reactions of enzyme immunoglobulin assay. So like the example, blood plasma, cerebral spinal fluid and saliva. So these are the example of enzyme immunoglobulin assay. So what are the applications of enzyme immunoglobulin assay? So first of all, to detect the pool of clinical settings. To detect the pool of clinical settings. To detect the antigen antibody reactions in the blood. Then, what are the principles of enzyme ELISA? Here, the antigen are stuck in a surface and specific antibodies. To conjugate the enzyme with binding to the antigen reactions. To initial stage of reactions, it may be color change appearance like dark yellowish color change found in the ELISA techniques. So these are the ELISA techniques. What are the advantages of ELISA techniques? They are quick and accurate result to the samples. So any sample is quick and accurate result for the ELISA. Next, highly sensitivity reactions. It may provide to the any antibiotics is highly provide sensitivity reactions. Next, simple to perform to any reactions to modify and any reactions to be simplified and easily carryable. Then this techniques also will be modified and automated. So these are the ELISA techniques. Now here ELISA means western blot techniques, southern blot techniques also included. So ELISA western blot techniques must be used for the purpose of antigen antibody measurements like antibody resistant activity also used. Then it will be detecting any other to identification or diagnostic purpose of disease to any other autoimmune disorders like this. These are the ELISA western blot techniques. So another one is ELISA southern blot techniques. Here the southern blot techniques mainly focus on cancer activity and any cancer diagnostic purpose like breast cancer and duodenal cancer. It will be easily find out the ELISA techniques. It will be find out the cancer cells to identify whether cancer cell is when morphological characters and other specimens will be seen to find out the diagnostic purpose of any tumors or malignant cells. So these two types of ELISA is very much important for the industrial purpose or diagnostic purpose of clinical trials. So mainly focus on clinical trials. Many other infections or viral infections to be identified, focused on easily to perform as predominantly rapidly easily for the purpose of ELISA techniques for the western blot techniques. It will provide to identify the specimen for the specific protein synthesis and specific protein identification, then characteristic morphological of specimen to easily identify. Then southern blot techniques. We are like carcinoma, like schizophrenia, like and many other diseases we have to usually identify and diagnosis for the purpose of ELISA. To mainly focus on advantage of ELISA techniques, mostly used for quick and accurate results. To many other sample of ELISA, that is other whether it's a blood sample or urine sample or any saliva sample to be identified for a severe test for laboratory techniques. It will be useful for the highly sensitivity reactions to be monitored. Then we have to carry out simple and accurate result to the platform. Then it will be automated for the purpose of nanoparticle technology to be useful for the provider for all of the clinical trials activities. Whether it may also include for the in vivo method or in vitro method. Both we have to use for the purpose of clinical trial studies. For the any